Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about is manual com legit? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. People from the United States are quite curious to know about this site. So, basically, this website is an online shopping store which offers the famous Squid Game series merchandise products. So, if you're interested in checking out these products, you have to visit their official website. So now if you want to know about their payment method, you have to scroll it down till the end and then you will find it out here. So this website accepts Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, Visa Electron, JCB, American Express, Tennis Club, Discover. So next we'll check their shipping information. So as you can see, the shipping timing differs according to different countries, also according to different method, as you can see here. So under these countries, you can see under these countries, they ship their products under express shipping within 7 to 12 days, and under standard shipping, it takes 12 to 20 days. And in USA, Canada, UK, Australia, under express shipping, it takes 7 to 12 days. Under standard shipping, it takes 12 to 20 days, and under VIP shipping, it takes 3 to 7 days. So you can check it out. But before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now, let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam. So, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. And about the domain information, so this website was registered on 29 of May 2020 and it will expire on 29 of May 2022, which means it is a very new website and hence it can't be trusted easily. So next, if you want to know about their About Us page section, let's check their About Us details. So here, as you can see, they have mentioned something about their website and about their company. So they have mentioned that the Squid Game official store proudly present the costumes and merchandise. But they haven't provided any information regarding their business establishment here or about their founder identity. So next we'll check the contact details. So as you can see, they have also provided their contact details in the main homepage. Also, you can go to their page section. So here they have only provided the email address, but they haven't mentioned the physical address or their contact number, which is a negative sign. But as you can see, the email address name matches the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website doesn't have any social media presence. So next we'll check their return or refund policy. So as you can see here, they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And about the refund, so as you can see, there are two options. So if you have paid through PayPal, they will refund your money back within 1 to 2 days. And if you have paid through credit card, they will send your money back within 1 to 3 days. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issue. Now talking about the is manual.com legit reviews, we didn't find any single customer review about this website anywhere. Also, the trust next score of this website is 60% and the business trust ranking is 58.6%. And the content quality is also totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the is manual.com legit, this website appears to be a scam website. As you can see, it is quite new, it doesn't have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't provided their full contact details. So we ask you to make a right decision after exploring well. So if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thought about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.